Breaking Sandbox, Sand, price drops to all-time low, will Binance delisting send it lower? In brief, the Sandbox, Sand, price dipped to a new all-time low of 29 cents on September 13, as bearish headwinds surrounding the metaverse project heightens. Since news of the upcoming Binance delisting announcement hit the newsreels, Sandbox whale investors have already sold off 7.3 million Sand tokens. On September 8, Binance Exchange confirmed that it would discontinue the Sandbox NFT staking program from its native NFT marketplace. The Sandbox, Sand, price dipped to a new all-time low of $0.29 on September 13 as various headwinds surrounding the metaverse heightened. On-chain data trends reveal how the Sand price could move as Binance looks to discontinue Sandbox NFT staking. Sandbox, Sand, price entered another downswing on September 8, after cryptocurrency exchange Binance announced that it would discontinue support for the Sandbox NFT staking program. Will various whale investors drive the Sand price closer to zero? Sandbox whales have sold tokens worth $2M in 5 days. The Binance delisting announcement last Friday appears to have sparked bearish sentiment among Sandbox whale investors. On-chain data reveals that once the news broke, the whales appeared to have halted their week-long buying trend and started selling. According to data from Santiment, the crypto whales with balances of 1 million to 10 million Sand held a total of 281.7 million Sand as of September 7. But the chart below illustrates that as of September 13, that figure has dropped to just 277.4 million Sand. This means that since the Binance announcement hit the newsreels on September 8, the Sandbox whale investors have already sold off 7.3 million Sand tokens. When valued at the current price of 29 cents, the 7.2 million Sand tokens recently sold by the Sandbox whales are worth approximately $2.2 million. Historically, due to their substantial holdings, the whales' trading activity has often moved the Sand markets significantly. Hence, if their ongoing selling trend persists, Sand holders could experience more price downside in the coming weeks. Despite low prices, no new demand in sight for Sand. At 29 cents, Sandbox prices are currently at an all-time low. But despite the heavily discounted prices, Sand has failed to attract a significant increase in new demand. In fact, the daily network growth chart below illustrates that Sandbox has not registered up to 200 new wallet addresses this month. At the close of September 13, only 146 new wallet addresses were created on the Sandbox network, a 37% decline from the 231 addresses recorded on August 29, when the price briefly retested 35 cents. A decrease in network growth typically implies that the underlying token is struggling to attract new demand. Notably, the Sand NFT staking program allows many Sand holders to generate utility and passive income from their holdings. With Binance NFT Marketplace set to slam that window shut